What if I told you, the oil you're cooking with every day could be the reason you feel tired, bloated, or even stuck with that extra weight, no matter how healthy you think you're eating? Sounds dramatic, right? But it's true. The oil you use can literally make or break your health goals. Today, we're cutting through the noise to answer one simple but powerful question: which cooking oil is actually best for your health? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to keep in your kitchen, and what to toss for good. Let's be real, most of us grab whatever oil is cheapest or says, "heart healthy," on the label. But here's the scary truth: not all oils are created equal. Some are processed so heavily, they lose all their natural nutrients and end up doing more harm than good. They can trigger inflammation, slow down your metabolism, and even throw your hormones off balance. In fact, research shows the average American gets over 20% of their daily calories just from oils. That's 1/5 of your entire diet, coming from something most people never even think about. Imagine fueling a high-performance car with the cheapest, dirtiest gas you can find. That's what the wrong oil is doing to your body. But don't worry, you don't have to cut out oils completely. You just need to make smarter swaps that protect your heart, your energy, and your waistline. So let's break this down. First up, extra virgin olive oil, the king of healthy fats. You've probably heard the hype, but here's why it actually deserves the crown. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. It's also packed with antioxidants, especially one called oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Think of it like tiny painkillers working inside your body, protecting your cells from damage. Picture this: you're cooking breakfast, and instead of butter, you drizzle a little olive oil over your eggs. That one small change. You've just given your heart an upgrade. Now, yes, olive oil does have a lower smoke point, so it's not ideal for deep frying. But for sautéing veggies, salad dressings, or even baking, it's perfect. Just make sure you choose a dark glass bottle labeled cold-pressed or first press. That means it's pure, unrefined, and still loaded with nutrients. Next, avocado oil, the modern powerhouse. If olive oil is the classic, avocado oil is the bold newcomer that's quickly becoming a favorite among nutritionists. It's rich in the same healthy fats, but here's the bonus: it has one of the highest smoke points of any healthy oil. That means it's perfect for grilling, roasting, and stir-frying, without breaking down or turning toxic. Imagine tossing your veggies in a spoonful of avocado oil before roasting. They come out crisp, golden, and delicious, and you just gave your heart and skin a nutrient boost. Thanks to vitamin E, avocado oil helps nourish your skin from the inside out. It's basically beauty and health in one bottle. Now, let's talk about the ones you should watch out for: seed oils like canola, soybean, sunflower, and corn oil. These are everywhere, in processed foods, restaurant meals, even your healthy snacks. The problem? They're usually highly refined and heated to extreme temperatures during processing. That destroys nutrients and turns the fats unstable. When fats become unstable, they oxidize, and that's bad news. Oxidized fats trigger inflammation inside your body, which can affect everything from your skin to your heart to your brain. So if you're still using vegetable oil because it's cheap or light tasting, it's time to make a change. Next time you're at the grocery store, flip the label. If it says refined, hydrogenated, or bleached, put it back. Your body deserves better fuel. Now, let's move to coconut oil, the popular kid in the wellness world. It smells great, it's trendy, and yes, it has some benefits. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which your body uses for quick energy instead of storing as fat. Great for mental clarity, great for workouts. But here's the thing: it's also high in saturated fat. That doesn't mean it's bad, but it's not something you want to use every single day. Think of coconut oil like espresso: a little can give you a great boost, but too much? Not ideal. Use it occasionally for baking or recipes that need that coconut flavor, and balance it out with olive or avocado oil for everyday cooking. And for my plant-based or budget-conscious friends, don't sleep on sesame oil or peanut oil. They're packed with antioxidants and add amazing flavor to stir-fries and Asian-style dishes. Just make sure you pick the cold-pressed versions, not the refined ones. Alright, time to crush a big myth. You've probably heard that light-colored or vegetable oils are automatically healthier. Nope. The word vegetable doesn't even mean they came from real vegetables. It's just marketing. Most of these oils are made from genetically modified seeds and refined in industrial plants using heat and chemicals. That golden, light oil that says, cholesterol-free. It's not clean, it's just cleverly packaged. Always go for single-source, natural oils like olive, avocado, or coconut. So, here's your 3-step cheat sheet for choosing the right cooking oil. Number 1, pick oils that are minimally processed. Look for the words cold-pressed, unrefined, or extra virgin. Those labels mean your oil still has its nutrients intact. Number 2, match your oil to your cooking style. Olive oil for salads and low-heat meals. Avocado oil for grilling and high-heat cooking. Coconut oil for baking or flavor. Easy. Number 3, store them smart. Heat, air, and light destroy healthy fats. Keep your oils in dark bottles, tightly sealed, and away from the stove. Trust me, it matters. Because at the end of the day, what you cook with is just as important as what you cook. The right oil fuels your body like premium gas, giving you steady energy, glowing skin, and a heart that stays strong for years to come. So, be honest. What oil are you using right now? Is it helping your body, or secretly working against it? Drop your answer in the comments, I'd love to know what's in your kitchen. And hey, if this video cleared up some confusion for you, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our community of people who want to build healthier habits one smart choice at a time. Because better health isn't about spending more, it's about knowing more. And it all starts with what's sizzling in your pan.